Each tool sleeve is equipped with 2 sets of polycrystalline, PC, and a group of diamond tool. The sleeve rotates 1 circle, form a 3 progressive cutting operation, pulverist line tool removal of 0.66 mm offcut marks, such as pitch marks, diamond tool to remove the 0.05-0.1 mm cut to form the final polishing effect, total cutting capacity of up to 0.75 mm. The sleeve is mounted on the precision shaft, the in-feed and out-feed track in the same section. Stress release, machining and precision grinding, maximum processing length degrees, up to 1850 mm. There is a unique tool cover plate allows the workpiece to be always located in the polishing head, greatly improve the final result. Workpiece conveying system so that the cutting speed is usually 0.61 min. Linear bearings can be blank. Workpiece thickness, 2 mm to 80 mm, is adjusted automatically, and can exceed the size of the processing. Can usually be processing than the nominal thickness 6% sheet.